Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Ethiopian Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on flight status, which is the first option. You have two options. You can either search by the flight number. So if you tap on it at the top, you should type in the flight number and click on the search button down below, and you are going to see the flight. As you can see, the status is arrived. If you tap on the view details here, you can check it out. As you go back, you can see that you can also search by route. So type in the departure point and then the destination and click on the search button, and you are going to find the flight status down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.